Inside databases, we have many different types, and one of them is SQL databases. SQL databases are also called relational databases, which means that in SQL databases, our data is stored in the form of tables. Now, what does a table mean? For example, think of an Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet, suppose we create a table named student. Inside this student table, we store details such as roll number, name, and age of students. For example, roll number 101, name Vikas, age 20. Roll number 102, name Aman, age 14. Roll number 103, name Khushi, age 17. In this way, one table is created. Similarly, tables are created inside databases where all the data is stored. Just like we created a table in an Excel sheet, the same can be done inside a database. When we store data in this table format, such databases are called relational databases. Here a table is actually called a relation, and that is where the name relational database comes from. Examples of relational databases include mySQL, the most popular, Oracle, PostgreSQL, and many others. Out of these, we will cover mySQL. In fact, in all these databases, SQL is used to communicate. The commands or syntax may vary slightly, but the base language remains the same. So it is not necessary to learn every relational database separately. If we properly learn even one, such as mySQL, it will be enough to work with the others as well.